Hey y'all, welcome to Pleiadian Point of View. I'm Peyton with Peyton Energetics, and I'm a Pleiadian channel. So in this week's Point of View, the Pleiadians wanted to talk to us a little bit about how we create and manifest, because that is starting to change. So we are all, of course, very familiar with how we create things in the 3D world, right? This is how we have gone about things for most of our lives. And when we create in third dimensional energies or the third dimensional construct, we do that through physical action. So this is how we have created things throughout our entire lifetimes. So we are very used to setting goals, having to identify how we are going to do something, and then take a long series of steps to accomplish that goal. That's how we work in 3D, right? We plan it with the mind. We have to know how we're going to do it in order to get it done. And the other thing that goes with creating in the third dimensional construct is that we need to take a lot of physical action. So everything that is big and important in our lives that we are trying to create takes us a long time to do it. But according to the Pleiadians, that is all changing as we move into fifth dimensional energies. Because the way we manifest in 5D is very, very different. So the P's have been kind of gently training us about this over the past couple of years by dropping little breadcrumbs in their messages to prepare us to be powerful manifestors in 5D energies. Now, one of the things you have heard the P's say over the years is it's so important for us to just focus on what we want and to view it as if it's already completed. So they encourage us to see it done. That is one of their mantras. And they have been telling us this for several years now, that all we have to do is focus on the end result. Don't worry about how it's going to happen. And one of the reasons they have been telling us that over the past couple of years is they're preparing us to be able to create in fifth dimensional energies. So we are moving out of a construct of reality where we do everything with the mind and physical action. So what the P's wanted to tell us about creating in 5D energies and how that differs from what we're used to is that in fifth dimensional energies, we are going to be creating with our frequency. And this again is one of those mantras of the Pleiadians. You have heard them say time after time, frequency, frequency, frequency. It is all that matters. And so that is how we are going to start to create in fifth dimensional energies. We create with our frequency, not with physical action. So as we start to learn to be fifth dimensional creators, what the P's encourage us to do is just focus on the end result. So what is it you want to see in your life? What is the outcome? And they always encourage us to keep our mind out of it, because I don't know about y'all, but when they first started teaching this process to me, the first thing that would happen when I imagined or visualized what I wanted to create is my mind would raise its little hand and go, well, how are you going to do that? That's not possible. How are we going to accomplish that? And that's what derails most of our manifestations. We get stuck in the mind in how are we going to do this thing that we want to create? And that's what kind of throws us off the track. It's what keeps us from actually manifesting what we want to see in our lives. But in fifth dimensional energies, we are going to be creating with our energetic field, not with our physical body and action. So to be fifth dimensional creators, the Pleiadians are encouraging us to start playing with this concept, because as we start to play with this, we start to become better and better at it. So in order to create in fifth dimensional energies, we want to connect with the feeling state of what it will be like to have that thing, whatever it is you're wanting to create in your life. How would it feel to actually have that? And you've heard many of your spiritual teachers encouraging you to do this, to imagine what it would be like to be living in the dream house or having that dream relationship. And there's a very solid reason why our teachers have been encouraging us to do this. It's because it is preparing us to manifest from fifth dimensional energies. Because in fifth dimensional energies, you are going to hold the frequency of what you want to create, what you want to see in your world. And your frequency, your energy field, is going to do the manifesting for you. So you are not going to have to go out and identify the 10 steps to get that job, get that relationship. You are just going to imagine it done. You're going to hold the feeling state of living in that perfect house or having that perfect partner. And then your energy field in fifth dimensional energies is going to bring to you the next steps to accomplish that. So we are going to be manifesting through our frequency. And the universe is going to bring us to our manifestation through synchronicities. So we are going to hear someone mention the next thing that we need to do. We'll see a post about it on social media that gives us a suggestion of how to move closer to it. So the universe then is going to respond to the frequency that we are sending out, which of course is how it always works anyway. We just usually derail ourselves by getting stuck in the mind, in the how. And as the Pleiadians like to say, the how is none of our business. The how is the job of the universe. Our only job to be fifth dimensional manifestors is to decide what it is that we want and imagine how it would feel to have it. That's all. Then the universe does the heavy lifting for you. So according to the Pleiadians, as we move more and more into 5D energies, we're going to be needing only a fraction of the physical action that we used to have to take to create something. Because 3D was all about hard work, right? You had to hustle, you had to grind to get to that place you wanted to be. But in fifth dimensional energies, you let your energy field bring your manifestation to you. Your only job is to hold the frequency, which is why the P's have been telling us this over and over for years now. Focus on your frequency. That's your only job. So that is how we are going to be starting to manifest in fifth dimensional energies. The whole creation process is about to get much easier. We are going to be saying goodbye to all of the effort, all of the planning, all of the figuring out the who, what, when, where, and why. We are just going to focus on the end result. So that is how we are going to be starting to create as fifth dimensional manifestors. And the sooner we practice this and start to implement it, we can start to take advantage of that new creative process right now. So that is what the Pleiadians wanted to share with us in this week's point of view. Let me know in the comments below, how are you doing in these energies? They've been a little challenging lately. So drop that in the comment box below. And while you're down there, don't forget, hit the subscribe button and the like button if you haven't done that yet. I'll see you next time. Bye.